this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix a Snapchat device ban and what you can actually do in order to remove it. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, let's break down what a device ban actually is. It's essentially different from a standard account ban. If your account is banned, you can sometimes log in to another account on the exact same phone. But if the device itself is banned, Snapchat has restricted that specific phone from accessing the app. That's why logging into a different account usually won't work. What you're going to want to try and do first is delete Snapchat. So back out of this section, hold down on Snapchat and remove the app permanently, and then go in and restart your phone and reinstall Snapchat from the App Store or Google Play Store. Sometimes this will fix any temporary issues. On top of that, what you could do is go into the App Store or Google Play Store on Android, search for Snapchat, and just check to see if there is an update available by clicking on it and hitting update. Outdated versions can sometimes trigger those issues as well. If reinstalling and updating doesn't work for you, your next step is to contact Snapchat support through their official website. So just go to snapchat.com, explain your situation clearly, and wait for a response. There's no guaranteed fix, but this is the proper way to get rid of that restriction and appeal it. But if Snapchat has permanently device banned your phone, there isn't necessarily a built-in way to bypass it because device bans are tied to the hardware itself, not just the account. You could spoof it, however, I do not recommend doing that. The only official solution in that case would be using a different device. So start with reinstalling and updating. If that doesn't work, contact Snapchat support, wait for the response, and you'll be good to go. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.